Y'all, if mama could see this room, she would whoop my ass. Good thing I don't live with her no more.
Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had it. Fuck that nigga, oh yeah, it's time to mix it up and get.
What's goody, YouTube fam? It's your girl Lena, and I'm back with another video. If you new, what's up? Thank you for stopping on in. And if you're returning, I appreciate you all so much. If you want to join the family, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button down below and turn on right on around and hit that bell notification so that you can be updated every time your girl uploads a new video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we about to be cleaning up because your girl's room is a hot mess. Like, sis, come on, what you been doing? You been living like a pig. It's a mess. So I'm finna encourage somebody today to clean up their room. It's hot. Whew, it's hot. Turn that ceiling fan on. I'm about to encourage somebody today to clean up their room. Because if it look anything like mine, sis, you ain't got no excuse. Get up off your ass and let's clean. Come on, let's go. Chop, chop. Go. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm doing is folding those clothes and getting that stuff out the way. I love when I clean to start with folding all the clothes, getting all that stuff off the bed. It just makes me feel like there's no more clutter. Sometimes I leave the clothes in the dryer and just pick through that shit until it's all gone. I'm so guilty for that. Comment below if you're guilty for that as well. Y'all gonna see me in a second take my Downy wrinkle release spray and my fabric softener spray right there. It's just the Unstoppable Beads, hot water, shake it up, and you have your fabric softener spray. Makes everything smell so good. And then I take that Downy wrinkle release spray and spray it all over the clothes, because by the time I usually get them out the dryer to fold them and hang them up, they already wrinkled. So guilty. So anyways, all I'm doing now is just hanging the clothes up. I like for my closet to be in order. I know it don't look all that great right now, kind of hangers everywhere, but I like for it to be kind of color coordinated, and I like for the jackets to be with the jackets and the jeans to be, you know, color coordinated, lights and darks. Yeah. My place is real small, so I have to be real creative with how I hide and tuck everything and put everything in its own little place. Throwing away my trash. Got some planners from last year that I gotta throw away. And getting ready to make this bed. Well, I'm taking all the sheets off because I actually got a new comforter set, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that set on in a second here. When I opened up the sheets, when I opened up the new sheets, they smelled real weird because I guess because they was in that cardboard, like in the packaging. So I washed those new sheets. I didn't wash the comforter, but I had to wash them sheets because they was funky, honey. Now I'm just straightening up my dresser, putting all my lotions together. Y'all, comment below if your dresser look like mine. All your Bath and Body Works stuff, honey. I'm just vacuuming the bed, getting all the little crumbs, any like lint balls, any of Sadie's hair off my bed before I put my fresh sheets on. And I'm sweeping the floor because that little vacuum cleaner I got ain't worth a damn. Like, it really ain't. So what I usually do is sweep everything real good, and then I take the vacuum cleaner. After I use a dustpan to get it up, I take the vacuum cleaner just to go back over it, because with the hardwood, it's like dust particles just spread everywhere. So I take that for some extra cleanliness and vacuum everything after I sweep. Just cleaning this table. This table was filthy. It don't look how, sorry y'all. It doesn't look filthy right here, but it was dusty. It was so nasty. So I'm just taking some good old Awesome from the Dollar Tree and cleaning that table off. Clean it real good. And don't mind my TV over there in the corner, y'all. I gotta get rid of that thing. Doing the same thing for my dresser here. Wiping everything down real good. I sprayed way too much Awesome. That Awesome like to kill me. It was getting in my throat. Whew. It was bad. Okay. So my sheets just came out the dryer. And this spray right here, I got these two sprays. They're sheet sprays. I got them from Bath & Body Works. I'm going to talk about them a little bit at the end of the video. I'm also spraying my fabric softener spray on everything as well. I like for everything to smell really, really good. I'm sure y'all do too. And this sheet right here, I hate this damn sheet right here. It took me forever to get it right. Comment below if it take y'all more than one time to get this damn sheet right on the bed. That's the sheet. I don't know what it's called. It's not a flat sheet. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, it take forever for me to get that thing on the bed. You pull one side down, the other side come up. I can't stand it. I'm gonna tell y'all that Bath & Body Works spray, that stuff is amazing. Like, it really is amazing. Y'all should definitely try it if y'all never tried it before. It smells so good, and it sticks to the sheets. Like, you don't have to spray a whole lot. It smells so good. This is my new comforter. So I'm taking this Clorox fabric sanitizer, and I'm gonna spray that all over it because I didn't wash the comforter. I just washed the sheets. These new pillowcases on these pillows. That's one thing I hate too. I'll make a bed, but I hate changing them pillows out. I think that's my two least favorite chores, like changing the pillowcases and folding clothes. I hate it. I hate folding clothes with a passion. I'll wash them all day long, but I hate folding them. Like that candle, fresh.
Woo, y'all, I am beat. Do you hear me? I am so tired. That was a lot of work. I am tired and I have really worked up an appetite. Thank y'all so much for say, what are you doing? Let's try this again. Thank y'all so much for cleaning up my room with me. I'm getting ready to show y'all the final results. It's so nice. It smells so good in here. I'm so excited. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. Changed out my sheets, sprayed all of this spray. I just want to mention that this stuff is the bomb. Got it from Bath & Body Works. It's like a sheet spray. So this is Zen Garden and it smells absolutely amazing. And then this one is called Sleep. So I like to use this one after I take my shower, and I also have the lotion, the body cream, and it just relaxes me so much. I also have the body wash and the lotion for this as well. Spa, seriously, like a spa. Get it, because you will feel like a queen when you get in your bed, okay? But anyways, y'all, I'm tired. I'm about to eat. Thank you so much for cleaning up the room with me. And if your ass ain't, if you ain't get off that couch and clean up your room, and you just sat here and watched me clean up mine, I'm disappointed in you if you ain't get up and clean up your room, or your kitchen, or your bathroom, or your living room, or your guest room, whatever. Anyways, oh, one other thing I want to show y'all. So I get these from Bath & Body Works when they on sale. But child, this mahogany apple Girl, this mahogany apple, she like that, okay? She is like that. So get that too if you ain't never tried it. Anyways, y'all, thank you so much. Once again, I'ma holla at y'all. Subscribe if you have already not subscribed. And I'ma see y'all in the next video.